Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the head tracking option, the head tracking stereo option on your AirPods. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Let's just pull up your iPhone and connect your AirPods. You just have to open them and they are connecting automatically. Then put your AirPods in your ears like this. And to turn on the head tracking option, you just have to go to your control center. And in the control center, you are already should see that at the volume section that your AirPods are connected, because the volume icon is changed to the AirPods Pro icon. And to turn on the head tracking option, you just have to tap on the volume and hold it. And here you can turn on the stereo options. This is the fixed stereo option. And the third option is the head tracking option. And with this, you are going to experience this beautiful head tracking spatialized audio here on your AirPods Pro. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.